Here.
Can Mama help?
Now. Now.
Oh, it's a truck.
Yeah.
It's a truck. Ooh, Mama, that's right up his alley. Yeah, truck. Uh-huh. Oh, wait, we ain't done yet. So I gotta take it over here, Mama. Bring it here and Daddy'll open it up.
Daddy'll open it.
I mean, you got more to open?
Yeah, you got some.
Pull it open. Pull the paper off. Let me trying, Mama. Here. Pull. Grab the paper and pull. Oh, look at there. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Hot Wheels. Trucks, Mama, trucks. You ain't done yet. You got a whole bunch to open. You ain't even done. Don't even start. They ain't even starting yet. Yeah, I got an idea. Yeah. Well, hold on just a second. Now, Daddy can help you.
Neither way I need help for you. Look.
He said, that's what I want to play with. Here, come here. You ain't done yet.
I shouldn't have opened them. That's not that useful.
Yeah, don't move all that stuff in. Yeah. Hey, look. Look. Hey. Look. You got some more. Yeah, see?
I think it'll all be over once he opens one of the next presents.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, I'm the opener?
Yeah. Here. This here. This here.
Wait a minute.
You ain't done yet. You got all kind of stuff to open.
Come here.
Come here now.
Come here.
Yeah, you want to come over here now.
You got more.
Hey, come over here and sit with Daddy. Sit down.
Mama will line them up for you.
Hold on, let Daddy adjust the camera a little bit.
He's counting.
Are you counting them? Uh-huh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, I'll just have to hold it. Alright, here, we got some more to open. Here, Mama, you get them started and just show it to them, because those are the ones that's in those little boxes.
Look.
Yeah, just throw it over there by the paper, by the bag. Oh, look at there. It's a dump truck.
A Lego dump truck.
Hey, Legos. Or as I like to call them, foot hazards. Yay! I don't know who sent that.
Salvation Army.
All right.
Here, let me get this one started for you.
It's more cars, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Open it up. Yeah, thank you. Got more cars. He's I got more cars, Mama. Hey, let's open the rest of them before we open all that up. Oh, look what Mama's got.
Say,
Look at there. Oh, it's a DVD. Oh, it's a SpongeBob DVD. Season 2. I think we got more than that, don't we?
yeah, we got season 1.
Yeah. Hey, that right there's from Miss Bossimo. That's from my teacher. Oh, she sent you a book. I'm going to put it right over there, Mama. I got to look at that, Mama. Wait. So I want to put that in a special pot, Mama. All right, we're still going.
Look. Seth.
Pull.
Pull.
Oh, I got distracted, Mama. Sorry. Oh.
That's from Uncle Matthew and Aunt Shay.
Woo, look at there. It's a truck. That's right up my alley, Mama.
We'll open it in a minute. You gotta go crap right now.
Another book. Who's that from?
Matthew and Shay.
Oh, look at there. A SpongeBob book.
Yeah.
Hey, open another one. Said, Mama, get started for me. Well.
No, I gotta find a corner. Mom must have wrapped this one.
Hey, pull it open. SpongeBob! Season 1, Mama. Season 1. Okay. All right. Another big one. Grab the paper. Oh. Grab the paper. That's when she puts it all in one box.
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, that's some clothes.
Ooh, clothes, Mama. See, I got me some new threads. So I got to be styling and profiling.
Look. Say it.
Hey, look at there. I don't care. Get some toys, Mama. Get some more toys. Oh, see. Well, we know what Seth will be doing all day. Playing with cars all day long. Mama's got to go back over there to the corner. Hey, get back over here. Hey, look at Mama. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at there. All right, here. Hey, grab right there.
It's a game. Gotta work on his coordination too.
All right. You got another one. Here, let Daddy take it.
Yeah, this is the one that's got the two cups. Huh?
I do like the fact that while you're videotaping, you can take a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
You got a computer.
May be the same thing.
Huh?
May be the same thing. Now that I look at it.
Oh, man. Well, wait a minute. Here, Mama's going to have to really help you with this one.
Are you counting?
Yep.
That's fine. Said, Mama, I just had to. Daddy didn't do too bad on the tape this time. He was trying to make sure it didn't get tore up. Nice ding.
Yep.
I'll get it out of there in a minute. Now you're gonna keep that in there with me, and you're gonna keep that in here by Daddy, and in here in the living room where Daddy can keep an eye on you. Yeah. All right, man.
All right.
One more. Yeah, Daddy will get it out where you can play with it in a minute.
This is from Paw.
Grab the paper. 4. Oh.
See?
Yeah.
This didn't come from Walmart. This come from Musician's Friend. Rick Allen would be proud.
I'll keep that in here too. Put it over in the corner.
Huh?
All right, man.
Wait a minute.
Oh, we got your stockings left. Yeah. Mom and Daddy almost forgot about them. What? Sit down. Sit down. You got to look and see what's in your stocking. Oh, more cars, Mama. That's right up my alley. No pun intended.
Oh, Lord. Say it.
Now look at there. A light, yeah. Got you some gloves and a hat.
I want you to look at that.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Expelliarmus.
All right, look. Hey, say hey. Hey, look at Daddy. Say hey. Hey, tell Mama and Papa hey. He said, I'm too busy. I got stuff to look at.
Yeah, well, here, Mommy and Daddy use those.
What is it? Oh,
Scratch pads.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. Well, this has been Christmas 2013. Seth said, thank you very much. Said, my Mom and Daddy's got to get everything open and get it to running. All right. Merry Christmas.